Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about common habits that are practiced by you in everyday life. These habits slowly kill you without you realizing it. Do you have any idea about how much damage skipping a meal could cause to your body? Or how much poisonous sugar is that you intake with the everyday morning Starbucks cup of coffee? Presenting 10 bad habits practiced daily that might kill you. Remember to smash the like button and hit the bell icon for more updates on our channel, Eye-Opening Facts. Number 10. Texting while walking. Everyone in the Gen and Millennial generation is stuck on phone nowadays. It has become more of a want than a need. Even in the middle of crossing a road, people tend to take their mobiles out if they get a call or a text. Phones lead to a lot of accidents. You might have witnessed people so engrossed in their phones that they walk right into a pole or a piece of furniture. Number 9. Popping pills. You should only take painkillers when it is needed and advised by a doctor, and not pop them daily for small things. Even vitamins in place of meals will cause harm. It will only lead to a lot of side effects. Number 8. Spiking coffee with sweets. Not denying the effect sweet flavored coffee has on productivity, especially in the morning or when you're tired. Though, the amount of sugar that is in the flavored coffee could lead to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart diseases. Cutting back on the delicious cup might give you a few grumpy mornings, but at least your health won't be much affected. Number 7. Skipping breakfast. Whether you like it or not, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Eating shortly after you wake up would kick in your metabolism to work for the day. Though, skipping it would mean you have consumed empty calories at night. Skipping breakfast would lead to weight gain and obesity in long term. If you are in a hurry, grab a protein bar or a fruit, but never have an empty stomach. Breakfast also clears out all your acid accumulated overnight for regulating over your blood sugar level. Number 6. Ignoring snoring. Snorers are more prone to getting a heart disease or a stroke. The intensity or the vibrations of the snoring can narrow down the arteries in the neck due to fatty deposits. Snoring leads to an irregular heartbeat called arrhythmia, so it is best to get checked by a doctor. Number 5. Sleeping disorder. For a healthy functioning human being, sleeping for 7 to 8 hours interrupted is necessary for a proper sleep cycle. The not fixed sleep cycle can cause many physical and mental problems like anxiety, fatigue, etc. Number 4. Binge snacking. Eating because you're bored and not hungry is very unhealthy. It is just turning you into a couch potato. It leads to obesity and diabetes. A lot of people do not even notice that they are in a habit of eating while reading or watching. These lead to consumption of a lot of junk food. Number 3. No exercising and sitting in front of a device for the whole day. Just having a balanced diet does not cut the deal to remain healthy. Physical activity is necessary. Otherwise, your body might suffer from arthritis, obesity, heart diseases, cholesterol problems, etc. Number 2. Using earbuds to clean the ear. Earbuds push the wax further in your ear, and cleaning your ear daily is a bad habit. It may lead to eardrum damage, leading to hearing loss. The wax in the ear is good. It protects the ear from external particles and acts as a lubricant. So if you want to get your ear cleaned out or have any problems with the wax accumulated, visit a doctor. Number 1. Smoking and drinking. Everyone knows smoking is injurious to health. Excessive smoking ultimately leads to cancer and then death. The nicotine present in it also shrinks your brain, making you prone to Alzheimer's disease. This disease has no cure yet, and with time you forget everything and everybody. Sounds dangerous? Yes, it is. So now, stop smoking and drinking. Excessive alcohol has direct effects on the liver. It also might lead to transplant of liver. It even affects the cerebral part of the head that might lead to lose control over your movement. Yes, it is very dangerous. So, don't forget to check out our next video showing interesting ways to come over these 10 daily habits that might kill you. For now, signing off. Take care and comment down below for more suggestions on video topics that we should do next. And comment down below with a bad daily habit that you practice and how you're trying to overcome that.